you got a MacBook Pro and you notice that the rubber feet are all coming off, they've just been breaking. Here's an easy way to fix that with some parts you can get on Amazon for about $6 or $7. Here's a kit you can get. Comes with the rubber feet that you need and the tool you need to take the back of the laptop off. And it comes with replacement screws in case you lose those screws that hold the back of the laptop together. Now, in the event that you're missing one of your screws, this bag has a collection of different sized screws. I don't know if you can tell in there, but they're not all the same. And they're all different sizes for the different models of MacBooks that use these same feet. The 4 pads for the feet. And a screwdriver with a very, very tiny tip that you'll need to take those very tiny screws off the back of the laptop. One thing I noticed when I first got the package is that these appear too small. And then when you see it next to it, they're actually the right size. But to look at them in the package, they look like they're too small. Now what you're going to find is the old little piece of the feet that broke off is going to be somewhere in the laptop, so you're going to want to go look for those and find those pieces. So I got 1, 2. Now there's going to be one where the foot is behind this piece of tape on the back of your casing. So it's not going to come out unless you peel this tape back a little bit. And now you can get that piece out. Now these new ones have the glue already applied, and then you've got that center little donut that you want to pop through the hole in the back of your case. And then now I can get my final one on. Okay, so all 4 feet have been replaced. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the back on the laptop. So that's it. That's how you get your 4 replacement feet put on, just like the factory, and put your notebook back together. Hey, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please give the video a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.